Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be adding spring touches to my master bath. Now I have already cleaned the bathroom and the bedroom actually, and I just wanted to bring you along as I add a few spring touches to the master bath. I hope you will be inspired. I hope you will enjoy the video. So come on in and let's get started.
You don't know how much you mean to me, baby. I can't put it in words. You don't know how much you give to me, baby. You keep making me learn, yeah. You're like a painting hanging on my every wall. Baby, you save me, you give me all and a little more. I can't live without you, yeah. I can't live without you. I was roaming through the dark, baby. Ooh, you keep making it shine. I'm in love with how you talk, baby. My ears craving the sound, yeah. You're like a painting hanging on my every move. Baby, you save me, you give me all and a little more, yeah. I can't live without you, yeah. I over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long now. Suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely. But since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. When you hear me calling, oh, it's you I need. Ooh, yeah, 'cause I cannot fake it. No matter how I feel, yeah, 'cause you heal my aching heart. When you come around, I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. Oh, I think I might be over my troubles. They've been there for so long now. It's over. Suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Yeah, I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely. But since you came around, all I see is tomorrow.
Friends, I hope you are enjoying the video so far, and I hope that you will hang in until the end to see the reveal. As I said, the focus today is just adding some spring decor, a little leftover cleaning, because for the most part it's been done. But I hope that it's an inspiring video for you. I also would like to say that I hope you find something today to bring some joy into your life. And once you find your joy, share it with someone else. You'll be glad you did. Now I'm going to set this back to music and ask you once again, hang in till the end. The reveal is a good one.
Hey baby, ooh. Can I tell you what's on my mind? 'Cause I've been thinking
So my friends, I wanted to add that this video was a no spend. There was nothing purchased for this. The tulips I've had for years, they are the Real Touch, and I ordered those years ago from Amazon, and they hold up really well. The towels that I'm showcasing this week are from, I believe I got those from Tuesday morning, back in the day before they closed. I missed them, and nothing else was new. So that's just going to show you that use what you have, switch it around every now and then, and it all looks different. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate those of you that stayed until the end, and if you're still here, leave me an emoji of a bunny rabbit, and I'm going to see you in the next video. For my ride or dies, I thank you for coming back every week, and I love you, I love you, I love you. For my newbies, thank you for joining the family. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.